It's I don't know if it's a sassy grass green. Here's the VIN for the car. This is a factory correct car. Came with bucket seats and a center console. That's pretty rare. The seats are also vinyl green as well. It's really cool. These are actually the same bucket seats that are in my Cuda. That's pretty cool. So it might even be a 70. Not too sure about that, but you know, Dodge always had a lot of interchangeable and superior engineering. I mean, look at I love the taillights and the rear end of this body style. It's just phenomenal. For a B-body car, it's just unbelievable. It's 8727 automatic. Dash, wood grain IPC, instrument panel cluster. That center console is pretty rare with the wood grain, aluminum trim. Oh, that's cool. Alright guys, that's it for our shorts. Have a great day.